What is the basic nature of the universe? It's very simple. It's made up of matter and space, both of which are indestructible. Matter can be divided up to a very high degree, right? How high, I don't know. Maybe infinitely. At least theoretically infinitely. And it combines to make up all these complex structures which seem magical. For instance, we human beings, we seem to be magical, don't we? Spirits or whatever you. Yet we're only robotic, we're just purely physical pluses and minuses, acting inevitably. But because of illusion we think otherwise. Right? So we've got to sort out our basic absolutes and our secondary beliefs. And once we do that, well, everything starts to fall into place. Not only does religion go back on the back foot, but so does much of science. Right? So, though I am an atheist and a materialist, I've no illusions about that other atheists and materialists can be half-baked. Right? Some atheists are only atheists because they hate religion for some particular personal reason. Some people are materialists, right, on the surface, right? But underneath they believe scientific gobbledygook with a supernatural connotation. They haven't really sewn the key away. So, I am a 100% materialist, and boy oh boy, once you do that, you see the absurdities all around you. Right? If ever people have a psychological problem, right, become a materialist. I tell you what, you can solve half of them, you can dump half of them, right? Half your problems. So, materialism is the pure, absolute truth. Undeniable truth, unbiased, nothing to gain by it, it just is. And the more you understand it, the more you can face reality and life. You can face it. So, dump religion and dump a lot of science, especially medical science, and some of cosmology. You know, Astronomer Royal saying first of all there was nothing, no space, no time, no matter, and a speck of energy no bigger than an atom came out of nowhere and expanded a trillion times to be the universe. Absolute nonsense. More absurd than the religious fishes and loaves of bread. Unfortunately, the worms have got into science, and I am going to expose it. I'm going to pull the plug on you guys. Right? So anyhow, watch out for me on YouTube and you will be amazed. And not only that, once you extrapolate from the purely physical, you won't need me to detail things. It'll automatically come to you, most of it. Right?